Okay, this one is solving multi-step equations using the distributive property. So the day before, hopefully you practice using distributive property. Now we're going to use the distributive property to solve the multi-step equations. So we're going to distribute first. That means 7 times 3 is 21, plus 7 times 2 is 14, so you have 14x equals 49. Now it's just a two-step equation. So notice you're going to move the one with the variable last, so you're going to subtract 21. And you do 14x equals 28. Divide by 14. X is going to equal, okay, so you're going to distribute first and then solve. So here you're going to distribute first. Negative 8 times 3, negative 24x. Don't forget your x. Now be careful here. Negative 8 times negative 4, positive 32. Then from there you can subtract. Subtract 32. Negative 24x equals 80 minus 32 is 48. Be careful here. You want to divide by negative 24. A lot of people were dropping the negatives. Don't forget, you want a positive 1x. So divide by negative 24. X is going to equal negative 2. Not all the answers always come up to 2. So you're going to complete that. I do want to jump down here, though, and I want to talk about checking. So let's go ahead and solve this problem, and then I want to talk to you about how to check these type of problems. So you have 3x minus 6 equals 6. Add 6. So negative 3x equals 12. Divide by negative 3. X is going to equal negative 4. Now, you're going to put that number in the checking. Now, here's the thing. When we check, don't distribute to check. Do not distribute to check. I'm going to work inside out. Oops, sorry, that should be a negative 4. Okay? Now, we're going to work inside first. So negative 4 plus 2. Negative 4 plus 2, we have a negative 3 on the outside. Negative 4 plus 2 is a negative 2. Now multiply. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. Okay? So when you check, work inside out. Work inside out. All right? So that's another lesson that we did. We did some practice up on the whiteboard for some, so don't worry about that, the back. So just that. Now remember, on each of these, you're going to submit a picture of your completed sheet, not just my notes, your completed sheet.